Hello, my name is Rob, and welcome to the channel. If you're new to the site, please make sure you subscribe and enable post alerts. We choose AliExpress out of all the dropshipping options. Some believe dropshipping is dead, but we continue to dropship from AliExpress even now, in 2021. Our decision is based on the significant benefits that this platform provides. However, there are a number of hazards to be aware of before embarking on this type of venture. In this video, we'll discuss the advantages and disadvantages of AliExpress dropshipping in 2021. Our organization assists people in starting their own dropshipping businesses, and we source our products from AliExpress. In 2021, what can we expect from AliExpress dropshipping? In comparison to past years, what has changed? Let's have a look at what we've got. First, we'll talk over the advantages of dropshipping from AliExpress in 2021. Then, we'll go over the drawbacks. And finally, we'll go over how to prevent them and grow your business by utilizing all of the positive aspects. But before we get into the benefits of dropshipping from AliExpress, let me explain why we have chosen not to cooperate with other dropshipping marketplaces. The first is that the majority of them have monthly fees. Although some of them aren't particularly costly, why pay them when there's a website that allows you to dropship goods for free? The second issue is that the majority of the things on these marketplaces are rather costly. The harder it is to generate a profit or even compete with other shops in the market, the higher the initial price. That's why we are on the lookout for anything more suitable. AliExpress became our solution in 2015, and it is still our platform of choice in 2021. To begin with, there are no fees associated with the platform. AliExpress is a marketplace, not a dropshipping marketplace. You only pay for the merchandise and shipping when you sell things from AliExpress suppliers, just like regular customers. Another advantage of AliExpress dropshipping in 2021 that we've already highlighted is that the products on AliExpress are cheaper than most online businesses in the US and Europe, as well as many dropshipping marketplaces. As a result, competing with other retailers and making a profit is easy. Furthermore, many AliExpress sellers are aware of the dropshipping business concept and are willing to work with dropshipping store owners, offering them cheaper prices, faster delivery, and even labeling. It's simple to place an order on AliExpress. The site currently sends goods to practically every country in the globe, allowing dropshippers to operate globally. Dropshipping necessitates the creation of product pages on your website to display products from your suppliers, as well as the acceptance and processing of orders. If you do it manually, it will take a long time. The good news is that if you operate with AliExpress, you can automate your dropshipping operation with a variety of software applications.